You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is x equals 2/3. Let's solve it step by step. Swap sides. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Subtract 8 from both sides. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the x. Multiply both sides by inverse fraction 2/3. Move the negative sign from the denominator to the numerator. Group like terms. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the arithmetic. Cancel out the negatives. And so the final result is x equals 2/3.